Alright, today we're doing a Squirtle, the Pokemon Squirtle. And I planned on having this whole entire lengthy tutorial, but not gonna happen. Because at some point I stopped recording. I just stopped. So I'm in a bit of a dilemma, and I want to put this video up, but you guys only get to see half of the experience. Half of the entire tutorial, because I don't know, I think I got a phone call and I didn't hear it, so my iPhone stopped recording, because that's what I use to record these videos. And you know, I did a good Squirtle. Like, I want to put this video up, but I only got half of the video. So here we are, watching half of a tutorial here with me. Thank you very much for making it this far so far. Yeah, that's it. Hit that like button, subscribe, and you know, follow my other YouTube channel where I'm gonna be playing video games and stuff. You know, I got a PC and a PS4. And I play Rainbow Six Siege, Red Dead Redemption. I don't know. Follow me on Instagram while we're here. I'll throw that down. And yeah, I mean, as you can see, I'm drawing the entire design like a tattoo artist would. A tattoo artist would use a stencil on the skin. So that's what I'm doing. I'm using the stencil. You can get that at Barber for All. Link in the description. And yeah, you'll be able to draw out any design before you actually get in there. So that's a Squirtle. I also did this Pikachu right here. You'll see it right now. But yeah, like, subscribe. Thanks for making it this far in the video.